Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
team, quick vid. So just wanted to get with y'all and show y'all. Booyah. We hit 630 miles, clocked that. With that, that is bringing us over that break-in period. Now that we're done with the break-in, you see now we can go down here, we can go to settings, and now when we actually go to shift light, hey, we got something that we can play with, right? So now for the first one, we'll go to, let's just say 9,500 RPM now. And then for the second one, we'll go to 10K. And then what we have here, shift light off or on, we'll keep that on. And that's just one of the features. So if you're gonna change your service settings, right? Like to change your service intervals, you will, let's take it from the top. You'll start here, let's go to set. You'll go down to settings, but you won't click it, right? You're gonna take your pointer, thumb, up, down. Let's just hold that together at the same time. And you see this will give us our interval for our next service journey. So by threes, say the next interval will be in 1,800 miles. And then we'll hold. Now that's set. And we should be good to go, team. Let's go. All right, team, so showed you guys we are at break-in 6:30. So we're here doing the oil change, right? Pretty much getting that set up. We got the kit on the other side. There's the box. You already know what time it is for the whole switcheroni. I mean, even looking at it, it's not bad, but same time, we got new ones. There's no need to hold on to it. And now look at this though, team. Just as a quick follow-up, look at that. A1, squeaky clean. So don't even mind getting rid of it. We got a brand new one, but just wanted to show you guys why doing that pre-break-in oil change is always a good look, because now we squeaky clean, A1, good to go. Let's go, squad.